Number 1. 1974 Harley-Davidson XLH, $3,000, New Washington, Ohio. The 1974 Harley-Davidson XLH is a classic ironhead sportster that continues to be admired for its rugged character, simple mechanics, and unmistakable Harley-Davidson styling. These vintage sportsters remain popular among riders who appreciate old-school performance and endless customization possibilities. According to the seller, this XLH features a rebuilt engine, transmission, and generator, along with braided stainless steel lines, new brakes, tires, battery, speedometer, and voltage regulator. It also comes with electric start and an extra set of drag pipes for those who prefer a more aggressive exhaust note. For anyone seeking a refreshed ironhead, this Sportster is a solid option. Number 2. 1975 BMW R90/6, $5,000, Portland, Indiana. The 1975 BMW R90/6 is a legendary airhead known for its smooth boxer twin, dependable engineering, and comfortable touring capability. Well-preserved examples continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate classic BMW craftsmanship and timeless styling. The seller reports that this motorcycle retains its original paint, is in great overall condition, and runs and rides without any issues. With good tires and a well-maintained appearance, this R90/6 is ready for its next owner to enjoy. For riders looking for a dependable vintage BMW, this is an excellent opportunity. Number 3. 1975 Yamaha XS650 Chopper, $3,000, Muskegon, Michigan. The 1975 Yamaha XS650 is one of the most popular platforms for custom chopper builds thanks to its reliable parallel twin engine and classic proportions. Its combination of vintage style and straightforward mechanics continues to make it a favorite among custom motorcycle enthusiasts. This custom example features Mikuni VM34 carburetors while retaining the stock wheelbase for balanced handling. The seller states that it starts easily, runs great, and even delivers impressive fuel economy. For buyers searching for a fun and affordable vintage chopper, this XS650 is an appealing choice. Number 4. 1970 Moto Guzzi, $3,000, North Ridgeville, Ohio. The 1970 Moto Guzzi reflects the distinctive engineering and timeless styling that have made the Italian brand a favorite among classic motorcycle enthusiasts. Vintage Moto Guzzi models continue to be appreciated for their unique character and rewarding restoration potential. According to the seller, the motorcycle was complete and running before being disassembled for a high-quality repaint. The freshly finished bodywork has already been completed, leaving final assembly for the next owner. For enthusiasts looking for a rewarding Italian restoration project, this Moto Guzzi offers plenty of promise. Number 5. 1977 Kawasaki KZ Ltd 1000, $5,950, Fort Wayne, Indiana. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ Ltd 1000 combines the legendary performance of Kawasaki's early superbikes with distinctive cruiser-inspired styling. Well-built examples remain highly desirable among enthusiasts thanks to their strong engines and impressive customization potential. This motorcycle features a freshly rebuilt Z1 engine, smooth-bore carburetors, new tires, sprockets, clutch, gauges, and a Kirker header. The seller notes that it runs and sounds excellent, while also including an extra set of handlebars and a clean title. For riders seeking a powerful vintage Kawasaki, this KZ Ltd is a standout example. Number 6. 1967 BSA Spitfire, $7,000, Hoffman Estates, Illinois. The 1967 BSA Spitfire is one of the most desirable British performance twins of its era, known for its lively engine, lightweight handling, and unmistakable vintage styling. Well-restored examples continue to be highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. According to the seller, this Spitfire has been fully rebuilt with tasteful custom touches while preserving its classic appearance. It starts easily, runs strong, and is described as fully sorted and ready to ride rather than a restoration project. For anyone looking for a turnkey British classic, this BSA is an excellent choice. Number 7. 1974 Honda CL450, $2,200, Melvindale, Michigan. The 1974 Honda CL450 is a classic scrambler that blends everyday reliability with timeless styling and versatile performance. Its high-mounted exhaust and rugged character have made it a favorite among vintage Honda enthusiasts for decades. The seller states that this motorcycle remains all original and comes with a clean title, new battery, new tires, attractive chrome, the original tool roll, and owner's manual. Everything is reported to be working properly, making it a very appealing example for riders and collectors alike.
Number 8. 1986 BMW R80 RT, $3,965, Asheville, North Carolina. The 1986 BMW R80 RT is a respected member of BMW's Airhead family, offering dependable boxer twin performance and long-distance touring comfort. These motorcycles continue to earn praise for their durability, smooth ride, and timeless engineering. According to the seller, this R80 RT has been well cared for, runs exceptionally well, and includes the original factory saddlebags. With a title in hand and a reputation for reliability, it offers a great opportunity to own a classic BMW touring motorcycle.
Number 9. 1980 Suzuki GS 1100, $2,000, Fort Wayne, Indiana. The 1980 Suzuki GS 1100 became one of the defining Japanese superbikes of its era, combining a powerful inline-4 engine with excellent reliability and everyday usability. It remains a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate classic performance motorcycles. The seller reports that this two-owner example runs and drives great while having always been garage-kept. Although it shows normal signs of age, it has reportedly never been dropped and remains a strong running rider. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage superbike, this GS 1100 is a compelling option. Number 10. 1982 Triumph Bonneville 750, $6,900, Beaver Springs, Pennsylvania. The 1982 Triumph Bonneville 750 represents one of the final chapters of Triumph's classic twin-cylinder heritage, combining timeless British styling with improved reliability. Matching numbers examples continue to be highly valued by collectors and riders alike. This low-mileage Bonneville is described as running well with both electric and kickstart, electronic ignition, original factory paint, and a transferable Pennsylvania antique license. With everything reported to be functioning properly, this Triumph is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 11, 1971 Yamaha CT1 Enduro, $3,495, Germantown, Tennessee. The 1971 Yamaha CT1 Enduro is a lightweight two-stroke trail bike that helped introduce a generation of riders to dual-purpose motorcycling. Its dependable performance, simple design, and classic styling continue to make it a favorite among vintage Yamaha enthusiasts. According to the seller, this CT1 received a meticulous restoration in 2021, including an engine rebuild, powder-coated frame, refreshed suspension components, and new drivetrain parts. It also includes a rare passenger seat, a clean Tennessee title, and is reported to run and ride well, making it an excellent vintage enduro.
Number 12, 1965 BSA Spitfire Hornet, $6,500, Blairsville, Georgia. The 1965 BSA Spitfire Hornet is one of the most desirable British performance motorcycles of its era, celebrated for its powerful twin-cylinder engine and unmistakable classic styling. High-quality restorations like this continue to attract collectors around the world. The seller states that this example has received a detailed restoration featuring a rebuilt engine, electronic ignition, AMOL carburetors, belt drive primary, and beautiful paint and brightwork. It also includes both the aluminum fuel tank currently installed and the original fiberglass tank. For enthusiasts seeking a beautifully restored BSA, this Spitfire Hornet is an impressive offering.
Number 13, 1978 Honda CB550, $4,500, Greer, South Carolina. The 1978 Honda CB550 is a well-balanced classic that combines smooth inline-four performance with timeless styling and everyday reliability. Its versatility has made it a popular platform for both restoration and tasteful customization. This example features a rebuilt engine along with upgraded suspension, dual front disc brakes, an improved ignition system, a Delcovic stainless exhaust, and a new chain. The seller presents it as a fun, well-sorted rider that's ready to enjoy. For anyone searching for a classic Honda with tasteful upgrades, this CB550 is a great choice.
Holding throttle just a little bit here just to keep it from.
Number 14, 1982 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $8,500, Avila, Indiana. The 1982 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide is a legendary American touring motorcycle known for its comfortable long-distance capability and unmistakable V-twin character. Well-built examples with performance upgrades continue to attract Harley enthusiasts seeking classic style with enhanced power. According to the seller, this Electra Glide features a professionally rebuilt and enlarged 96 cubic inch engine with S&S internals, an upgraded 5-speed transmission, and durable powder-coated finishes throughout. With extensive mechanical improvements already completed, this Harley offers an appealing blend of classic touring heritage and modernized performance.
Number 15, 1971 Honda CB350, $800, Waunakee, Wisconsin. The 1971 Honda CB350 remains one of the most beloved lightweight motorcycles of the early 1970s, admired for its reliable twin-cylinder engine, balanced handling, and timeless design. Even project examples continue to be popular thanks to their strong parts availability and restoration potential. The seller describes this CB350 as a genuine barn find with a clean fuel tank and a freely turning engine. While it needs a few missing parts and a replacement ignition, the motorcycle is largely complete, and a title is currently being processed. For enthusiasts looking for an affordable restoration project, this Honda offers plenty of potential.
Thanks for watching Moto Market Explore. Which affordable classic would you take home? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.